By the way, for those of you who have been watching all of my Python making websites and a wealth of Python with a varying degree of experience streams, you notice that the stream, my level of experience has slowly been going up. Well, yeah, so I'm just confirming that I'm doing this on purpose in case you've noticed it. And what else? Oh yeah, that's true. That's right. When I'm kind of wondering what will happen when I get to full experience. What will happen to the making a Python website varying degrees of experience then? Well, who knows? That day is a long way ahead of us. For now, let's just write some Python code. Ooh, 3 viewers. Who's the other guy? Is it that what? Is it the that what guy? By the way, I forgot to send a text message at the beginning of every stream. Alright, I'm gonna open a new Safari tab. Wait, am I screen sharing? Oh no, I'm not screen sharing yet. Wait, folks. Edit scene. Yeah, screen share. Oh, actually, wait. I'm gonna open VS Code. And then screen share. Just wait a moment, folks. Gonna be right there. What website are we gonna make today? Because I've been making different websites every stream, right? Yeah, I'm actually gonna start one today and then stick to it. So let's make... what do we make? You know what? I want to make the website in which you can post stuff. And then whatever the newest thing that's posted is gonna be put on the news feed. Alright, so we're gonna call it what? Okay, YoungNet. You know what? Let's be a bit narcissistic. Let's call it YoungNet. No. That doesn't sound like... That is not a good name. Okay? Okay, you know what? Facebook, alright? That's Facebook. Let's just take a different part of a body, add and replace face with it, and then call the website that. So what do we call it? Feet book, arm book, back book, stomach book, hair book, head book. Let's call it feet book. Cause no, that's a bit weird. Okay, you know what? Let's be big brain. I'm an Asian, so I'm big brain, so it's only fitting that we call it brain book. Wait, do I capitalize the B in book? Yeah, probably. Nice. Wait, should I call it BrainNet? No, let's call it the brain book. Alright. Now let's screen share this. Yes, brain book. Right. There you go. Nice. There's a bit of space here. Wait. Let me try to fix that. Okay, so I've got the screen share. What if I make this a little bit like this? That isn't helping much. What about like this? Lucky? Like this? No. Oh, wait. It's working to some extent. Wait, just a little bit. No. Still too thin. Like this? Okay, still too thin. Like this. Almost there. Almost. We're so close. Dang it. Okay, no. Just a little bit less wide. It still looks a bit annoying. and make it 1 centimeter bigger. Like this. Yes, perfect, we got it. All right, those of you with OCD today are going to be able to watch my stream in peace, finally. Okay, now let's make some preliminary files. So we're gonna be writing a lot of stuff in Python, so let's just make a main.py file. And then we're gonna need an index.html file and a corresponding style.css file. Let's just add index.js for good measure. Now, let's just put in, the usual boilerplate HTML, right? Head, title, brain book, body. What do we call the body? What do we put in the body? Alright, so here's the plan. There's gonna be a menu where you can select which tab you want to be in, the make a new post tab, make the new post page or the newsfeed page. So let's make a div. ID equals sidebar. Yeah, that way. And then let's make a div. No, let's actually make a main, because that is the main content of the page. The main element is going to hold the main content of the page, yeah. The newsfeed and stuff. Okay, that's it. Wait, I'm a bit confused though. Why do I have 3 viewers? I've got only 2 windows on, right? Yeah, 1, 2 over there. 4 viewers. Awesome. Hey, who's the 4th guy? Could you introduce yourself, please? It would be very interesting if you did. I like to know who my viewers are. Since I'm still a small streamer, one of my big draws is personal context. So I'd really appreciate it if you, just say something in chat. Among Us or something. I don't care. But, okay, guy left. Okay, he obviously did not appreciate my suggestions. Okay, fine. You know what? I'm going to stop telling people to do that. I'll just tell them to follow me. Okay, so we got this. And to be able to tell... Wait, let me explain to you guys something. You know how the old websites, they had like these this body... No, the website, their width was smaller than the width of the tab itself. I guess it's because computers in the old time were so square, but that's how it was, and I kind of like that feel. So in the style.css, oh yeah, let's link. Oh, wrote title wrong. Brain book. Let's just link the index.html to the style.css, shall we? Link. Rel equals style sheet, and href equals style.css. All right, we got it. And now body width. How wide should it be? Let's make it 600 px. Right, background color. I'm just gonna copy the Facebook colors for now, and we're gonna replace them with our own color scheme later. So F7, F7, F7. That's the background color of the body. And then main and sidebar. Wait, actually I should put sidebar before the main. Sidebar main, yeah, that way. Well, actually I don't want the main to have a background color. No. Okay, we put main here first. And then background color white. Because yeah, that's part of the Facebook color scheme here, see? And then we got a sidebar that blends in with the background of the body. Now I just want to make this high enough so we can see the divs, because, oh wait, I just need to add some text here, sidebar. Yeah, that works. Sidebar, main content, and we should see, yeah, stuff. All right, it's aligned horizontally, which I don't want. Let's just give body display flex. Yeah, that's great. And then I want to give sidebars a flex value because I don't want it to stretch the whole page. I don't want it to split the width evenly with main content. We want it to be nice and short. So let's just go to body, yeah. Closing tag, closing bracket, display flex. Yeah, there we go. It's working very nicely. And then hashtag sidebar. Flex. Oh, I forgot to give main body main width 100%. 100%. And hashtag sidebar width. Oh, no, you're supposed to give it flex. Flex 1. And then give main flex 1, right? Yeah. All right, split evenly now. And we give sidebar max width, what, 200 px? Yeah, 200 px looks good. Should be a bit less wide. Let's give it 180 px. All right, looks perfect. Wait, so how come nobody's saying any messages? I swear, I thrive on audience / streamer interaction. Nothing really happens if somebody comes in who's willing to talk to me, and then things get flowing. So I guess I'm just gonna provide idle commentary until somebody comes in. Seriously, folks, leave a message in the chat. I really appreciate it. All right, start a CSS. We got this body. Yeah, actually, I won't list a specific height. Or do I want to list a specific height? Nah. Let's see. So what are we gonna have in the sidebar? Okay, we're gonna kind of copy Facebook's design. So we're gonna make buttons. Class, yeah. No, actually no. Let's give them a class, okay? Sidebar BTN. Sidebar buttons, nice. Just gonna copy and paste that. And this one we're gonna call newsfeed. And this one is new post. Okay. And let's define some stuff for buttons. So what I want is for it to look like it's just a P element normally, but then when you hover over them, they change color, and it's pretty obvious. Oh wait, no. When they're selected, so I want it to be like the Facebook buttons, where when you are on a page, the button shows for the page that you're on looks different. I guess I'm gonna make oh wait, no. I want to define a class, yeah. Okay, I want to make a class called sidebar BTN, and I'm just gonna define the default button, and then I'm gonna make a class specifically for the button for the page that's selected, and then later on we can use Python to detect which page we're on, and then give the button the classes accordingly. No, assign classes to buttons accordingly. Yeah, that's a better way to say it. Okay, so first of all, no border, none, yes, and then background color, none. It's still got the weird background color. Okay, I need to give it this F7 thing, same background color as the background. Yeah, there we go, blends in perfectly. And then dot sidebar BT and hover background color. What background color do we give it? White. Wait, do we give it white? What background color does Facebook give their buttons? Actually, you know what? Let's just give it a slightly darker color than F7, F7, F7. Copy, paste. Alright, just wait for that square to load. And then bit darker. Yeah, looks good. Nothing's happening. Oh, right, because have I given them a class? Yes, I have. Wait, why is nothing happening with the hover then? Oh, the background color is changing, but it's not noticeable enough. Wait, Let's make it red. Okay, yeah, it is working. Alright, then I gotta make it way more noticeable. F7, F7, F7. And then a very, very dark. Let's make it this. No, can't see anything. Okay, let's make it literal black. Nothing's happening. What's up with this? But red works. Oh, red doesn't work? What's happening here? Okay, let's reload the preview. No, it doesn't work here. Okay, this is weird. This is unexpected. What if we make this black? Oh wait, it's not detecting any color. It's just showing black, that's all. Okay, what if we just directly write blue, right? Yeah, when we name the color, it works. What about dark gray? Yeah, we make it dark gray. Yes, it works. Okay, let's just leave it like that for now. Let's give it a border radius. Oh yeah, a new guy showed up in the chat. Pal, if you enjoyed this stream, please leave a message to let me know, right? I care very much about my stream quality, and you know, some feedback would be appreciated. 5px? Looks good. Actually, maybe I should give it a light border. Yeah, you know what? Let's just make it kind of dark. No, I still can't see it. That's weird. Why isn't it changing? Weird. Oh wait, what if we make it gray? Yeah, then we have dark. Wait. How is dark gray lighter than gray? Okay, then make it light gray. Does that work? Yeah. Okay, makes sense now. Yeah, border rate is a bit too big. 3px is about right. Now we want it to stack, so let's just give this display block. Yeah, big gray move. What else? Well, I want the buttons to be of the same width. So let's give it a specific width. 100px? No, that's way too much. Oh, actually it looks quite right. Looks pretty good. Yeah, 100px will do. I want it to be a bit higher too, to look more like the Facebook buttons. So let's just give it height 15px. Oh wait, the actual height of the thing is actually more than 15px. 25? Yeah, 25 looks right. Okay, that's perfect. Now we just, it still looks kind of weird though. Ah, dang it, the guy left. What's up with these people? Why don't they just come, watch for like 10 minutes and then leave? What's up with that? No idea. Okay, let's give this margin something. Oh, guy's back. Guy's back. He didn't leave after all. He's a good sport. Fantastic. Oh, guy left. I wonder if he's just joining and then leaving just to tease me, you know? Well, let's see. Alright, I don't care about him. Well, actually, I do care, but you know, can't let yourself be affected too much, I guess. Focus on making good content and they will come. Alright, let's give it 5px margin and an auto margin. Wow, looks pretty good. Do I want auto though? Actually, you know what? I'm gonna make it with 120px. And then give sidebar 150px width. Oh, I forgot to give body margin auto. Wait. None. Still kind of uneven. Let's give sidebar a border to see what's up. Ah, okay. Is sidebar having margins? None? Oh, none isn't a good, isn't an appropriate value for margin, right? Yeah, margin 0. Okay, perfect. Huh, I wonder why none doesn't work though. It should work logically. Oh, let's add a header. I completely forgot to add a header. So header, Oh wait, by give body display flex. Oh dang. What if I add a header element outside of the body? Still display flex. Cripes. How can I fix this? And we could add a separate div. Okay, how about this? What if I make a main tag and then I wrap main here? And then instead of body having margin 0 and background color, oh wait, no, I want the background color in body. Let's give main, oh wait, no, I want margin 0 for body. What I want for main is display flex, yeah. And then we're going to, instead of having main elements, we're going to make a div element with ID content. Technical web design term here, folks. You can learn something from a stream, you know. And then we do hash content. All right, and everything's the same as before, except that now we can add a header. Genius move, isn't it? Wait, what's wrong? Why did one guy leave? Wait, so there was one guy watching me all the time? And he didn't say anything? Oh man, so now I'm down to 2 viewers. Hey, tragic. That's too bad, I guess. Well, I can only say that I wish I'd entertained him more. Oh, he's back and he's gone. Dang. Alright then, let's keep on making great content. Hopefully that guy comes back. And when he comes back, I'll have juicy content ready for him. Okay, we can remove the border from sidebar now. And now what? Oh wait, we need the header. Okay, what do we put in the header? Just write header. Wait, why it doesn't have display flex anymore? Oh right. Header gets display block and width 100%. Oh, is header in main? Oh yeah, header is in main. Forget that, put it outside of main. Now it works. Oh, so I guess it didn't need a width 100% after all, did it? Let's just give it a background color to be sure. I'm gonna just snatch one straight from Facebook again, as usual. Old Facebook colors are really nice. Yeah, perfect. I'm just gonna add an image then. Image class equals logo. Source equals empty. Okay, let's define the class logo first. I hate it when you add the image in there and then it makes the page look really bad and then you scale it down. I prefer to scale it down before I put it in. So dot logo height 25px width above height, folks. That's something I learned from a CodePen project. It does look neater. Yeah, there we go. That's perfect. And let's get some picture. What do we use for logo, folks? I mean, it's called Brain Book, so. Oh, I forgot to do something. In case anybody follows, I want to be able to hear. So let's change the output settings. You guys won't see it because I'm only screen sharing the VS Code, but yeah, I just did that. And now let's get a big brain picture. Brain drawing. Actually, the real brain looks too gruesome. Okay, brain drawing looks kind of cringe too, but well, I'll save image to downloads. Oh wait, no, I don't. Open image in new tab, yeah. Perfect. Does this work? Yep. Oh, but the background color is this. Wait, is there any way to, how to change image back? background color CSS. Ooh, background, no. Div element class equals background for background image and a border. We then create another div class equals transbox inside the first div. Oh, the div class transbox has a background color and a border. The div is transparent. Oh, that's a good idea. Hey, that's a fantastic idea. All right, folks, let's try this. New approach. All right, so you got a div, and then we're just gonna use style attributes for now to test if this works, okay? So, oh wait, no. I already got the background color, so I don't need to make a new div. All we need to do is add style to the image. So we've got transparency. 100? Nope. There's no such thing as a transparency property in CSS. Rats. Wait. So what do I do? How to make im transparent? Yes. Oh, excuse me. Right. Okay. It's opacity. 0 to -1. Ah, okay. I get it. Opacity 0. Ah, dang it. Too opaque. 1. No. 0.5. We aren't getting the real background color for anything less than 0. But then when I give it an opacity of 0, the image disappears. So what do I do? What's that guide on how to make a transparent image again? Dang it. Change image background color in HTML, CSS. Image type? Oh. I see. This is done by image type. You likely need a PNG of transparency. If you're familiar with Photoshop, you just erase the background. Okay, so we just need a transparent image. Alright then, back to the search for a good image. Brain transparent background. Brain image transparent background. Yeah, we got plenty. Nice. None of a solid center though. It's fine. It'll have to do. This is big brain time. Open image in new tab. Try the URL. Open image in new tab. Perfect. Alright. My 3 viewers, don't go away yet. Let's try this. Something epic is about to happen. Why is only half the image showing? What's up with this image? Alright, obviously it's not working. Let's switch URLs. Select all of this, delete, because I can't stand looking at a long URL. Alright, now copy and Control C this. Okay, not transparent. It's not transparent. Fine, forget it. We're gonna take care of that later. For now, wait folks, I got a big surprise coming, alright? I got a big surprise coming. It's coming, folks, trust me. You're gonna find this funny. You are going to find this funny. Dang it, mosquito. Go to images. Yes. Open image in new tab. No, I don't want to download linked file. So it links to a download? I don't want that. No, I want the URL to make the image. Alright. Looks like the wait's gonna be longer than expected, but hold on, okay? Hold on. I've got something juicy coming. Open image in new tab. Yes. Got a URL. Does this work? Okay, you know what? If you've been waiting for this, I'm sorry. You can go now. I'm gonna keep on trying though. Gosh, it still doesn't have a transparent background. What's of all these things that say they have transparent background but have no transparent background? Okay, let's just give it forget about this. We're just gonna add a H1, and it's just gonna be B instead of Facebook F. Get the joke? Let's set properties for H1 here. Header H1, color white. Sounds kind of racist. Margin 0. All right, we got it. Back to making the website. So we got newsfeed, new post, main content. Yeah, I'm gonna make some dummy posts to make this a bit higher because it looks kind of ugly right now, and I think you agree. So let's make div class equals dummy post, right? Dummy content, and then let's see, class dummy post. Where's the CSS for content? Here. Dot dummy post. So we're gonna have background. Wait, what's the background color for post? Oh wait, okay, I get it. So the background color is white, and then we remove the white background color for content. Nice. And let's give it border radius 3px actually. Same as the button. See, we gotta have consistency. And then margin 5px. All right, we got this. And let's just add some stuff here, you know. Username and post date. Oh, I've got to make p elements. P username. Got to get that sweet new line every time I make a p. Username, post date. Why does it have to have margins? We're removing margins for P2. Margin 0. Yeah. P space only. And a P Mark Zuckerberg inconsolable after Facebook competitor launches. Alright, looks like the MTP isn't working, so let's just remove that. Perfect. Yeah, it's a mildly obvious post. You know, you can see the round corners and the different background color if you look real carefully. I'll be satisfied with that. Let's just copy this and change this too. Alright, I don't want to be some lame guy who just makes repeat the same thing for filler content in his test website. Let's make a different headline. Mark Zuckerberg faint, rendered unconscious by heart attack. I don't know if heart attacks actually do that. Oh, after hearing of Facebook competitors' success. Yes, that's right. We're going to be a successful website, folks. All right, so we got that. And yeah, now let's work on the JavaScript, I guess. So, oh wait, no, let's work on the Python. Yeah, here's a juicy part, folks. We're making Python code, just like the headline promised. So, what we want is we want the username. We want to turn these into actual variables. So, let's see. I want to make some sort of post element which has 3 data points. Okay, so you know what? Let's make so the guy who just joined, let me tell you something. You notice that in the title I said I was making a Python website with a tiny amount of experience, and that's precisely what is making me not immediately start to slather Python code across the VS Code file now, because I actually haven't coded in Python for months, and so it's You could say it's more than rusty. So I'm just gonna Google some code. Please don't mind that. Wait, what did I Google? Right, I forgot how to make Python lists. So a Python list. How do you make lists? Oh, right, those brackets. Okay. Post data, we're gonna call it post data. Wait, how do you name Python files? Okay, you just don't capitalize, no space, you just put it there. Post data equals a list. Post, oh yes, let's make separate variables. Post username. Oh, right, we're gonna make username, date, and text. Yes, perfect. And then we're going to make separate variables for these. Actually, I should declare the variables first, right? So username equals Yang, date equals today, October 2, so 8/2/2022. And then text equals if you're, oops, forgot I had to do that. If you watching this and haven't followed, please do. It's free and helps me a lot. Self-promo moment, folks. All right. And that's it. And now we need to render the post data. How, oh, wait, I shouldn't close this tab. Loses the extra view, juicy extra view. So, how to render Python variable in HTML. Yeah, perfect. Pass variable from Python Flask to HTML render template. Flask? What is Flask? Oh, what's this? Looks like something I can use. Import OS, import SMTP library, import image h directory from email.message, import email message. Email address equals email password. Oh, you're supposed to capitalize it, of course. Yeah, I knew I was missing something. Username. Date. Wait, why is it in a different color when I capitalize it? Text. Username, data, date, text. Hey, that what? How you doing? I knew you would come. 5 years, nice. How you doing, that what? While you carefully craft your answer, I'm just going to look up why Python variable change color when capitalized. Does capitalization matter in Python variables? Variables can only contain upper and lowercase letters and the underscore. Because we don't have space, a common convention is to capitalize the first letter of every word. Are we coding? Yes, we are coding. We're very much coding. Take a look at all the juicy coding I've been doing. Check this out, huh? We got capital letter constants. Variables. Nah. I've been doing JavaScript for way too long. We got capitalized name variables. We got fake data. We got a website with round corners and buttons that change color when you hover over them. Yeah, we are coding, and we're doing pretty neat stuff with code. That sounded kind of cringe. Never mind. I want to find out why these variables look weird. Python, it's fine. I'm also too stupid. This is pretty much the only thing I can do now. Make variables and lists. I have no idea how I'm going to put this into this website right now. Absolutely no idea. Oh wait, I just realized something. I'm supposed to be learning PHP and MySQL with this. Rust. You love Rust, you love pain. Speaking of rust, I guess you could say my Python skills are a little rusty right now. Cringe pun. I'm making dad jokes before I'm 18 because that's what Asians do. Asians, right? We don't have a good sense of humor. I mean, PHP and MySQL. Yeah, because actually, let me show you this. You might find this quite amusing. Lex Friedman / hiring. Check this out. If you haven't heard of Lex Friedman, he's kind of big brain, and he's pretty famous. Asians are fun. Well, I mean, I guess you got one definitely fun Asian right here. What other fun Asians are there? I mean, I think, I was gonna make a joke where like, that guy who uses VS Code in Windows, I use VS Code in Mac OS. Wait, VS Code in Windows? I don't know what's VS Code. Wait, who uses VS Code in Windows? Wait, can you give me a name? I'm intrigued. What sort of sickos using Windows OS? Well, while you carefully craft your answer, I'm gonna switch the screen share. Oh, that guy you were talking about. Oh, yeah. That guy. He does use VS Code in Windows. Let me show you something. So, here. You see this? You see this, y'all? This is Lex Friedman. He's a big brain, and he is hiring. Let me switch screen share again. Change hiring. So he does interviews with people and stuff, but that's actually not real relevant. What is relevant though is he's offering a front end. Yes, it's a big mistake. Bill Gates was a mistake. So everything other than the Mac OS is a mistake. He also uses Emacs. Wait, what is Emacs? What are Emacs actually? Oh, okay, I actually have no idea. But I'll assume that Emacs is cringe, and hence he announced everybody who uses Emacs. So yeah, he's cringe. But Emacs is a mistake too. Well, by the look of it, it is a big mistake. Very big mistake. More in fact than Vim. Well, before the conversation gets a bit too heated, let's take a look at this. So, you see this? Which of the following programming languages and software engineering tools do you have a lot of experience with? And he lists Python, JavaScript, PHP, MySQL, and Linux Bash scripting. This, I have no idea what this is, so I'm not going to attempt to learn any of it, but I know a fair bit of JavaScript, and I have no idea what Python is, but I've heard it's pretty useful to learn. And PHP and MySQL, these sound pretty applicable. Nope, all of these are fun. Oh, really? Linux Bash scripting too? What does that even do anyway? Like, my idea of Linux Bash scripting is you're just able to do stuff in the Linux, that terminal, Linux terminal. I was fun about Linux terminal, right? You sure? Bash script? Alright, you know what? Let's ask the ultimate authority in all questions. Google, is Bash script fun? Get into Linux, nah, too much work. macOS is good enough for me. Why do hackers use Bash? Because Bash can be used with other networks, hacking tools, and programming languages to deliver the payload to the target. Hackers use Bash. Bad sign. I don't really like that. Wait, is Bash or Python better? Wait, I thought Bash was a command line language. Wait, so it's actually like some stuff you can save in files and use to run stuff? No, these are only the command line. This is all on the command line, man. I don't get how this could be fun. Oh, scripting language. What is a scripting language? Oh, holy smokes, look at that. Bash weather report. Nice. Okay, so scripting language meaning. Ah, so it can be ran in terminal and it's a scripting language. Sweet. Alright then, maybe I'll learn that too. But my plan is to force feed myself these three languages, Python, PHP, and MySQL, and then try to apply for this. I know I probably won't get the job. There's an overwhelming chance I won't get a job. But, it's worth giving it a try. Plus, I'll learn a lot doing this. So yeah, that's the idea. Alright, I'm gonna change the screen share back to VS Code so you guys can see me write some more juicy code. Done. Okay. If you get PHP, then you will get JavaScript. So, nice. Well, I think I've got JavaScript, But yeah, if learning PHP will help me learn JavaScript, that's big help, man. That's a big help. I want to be good at JavaScript. All the cool web devs on the block know JavaScript very well. Alright, so you got username, date, text, post data. Now what? I want to take the post data and try to render it in something in HTML. Let me just look something. Oh right, that was the whole point of this. Oh! I closed that tab. The tab I was using to get an extra free view. No wonder my view went down by one. Alright, we should be back up to 5 soon. PogChamp, yes, we are back up to 5. Alright. I'm just gonna open a new window so this keeps on running. Yeah, back. And then, what? Yes, how to render Python HTML. Perfect. Okay, create a new folder. Templates. Create a new file in the templates folder named home.html. Copy paste is simple code. Alright, I'm not doing those word by word tutorial. But, wait. How to render Python variables in HTML. I want to get the concept. I want to get the general idea. I want to really learn. What's all this about Flask anyway? What is Flask? It's a micro web framework written in Python. It is classified as a micro framework because it's not. I don't care about the technicalities. What does it do? Okay, you know what? Let's Google. What does Flask do? Flask is a fun framework. Hey, you say that MySQL, PHP, Python, JavaScript, Bash, and Flask is all fun. You've got a lot of experience with a lot of languages. That what? Oh, backend framework. Tools, libraries, and technologies that allow you to build a web application. Oh, okay. So it allows Python to reach its oily, snaky arms into the web, eh? Nice. Python for you and me. Kind of sounds like something you would say to kindergarten. What? You're not even a dev? Then what are you doing watching my stream and with all of these programming languages? Hey, you're pretty cool if you're not a dev and you do all these things, PogChamp. Pretty big PogChamp moment. Alright, let's take a look at this. I got this Safari window open. Gonna be right back to VS Code in a moment, but let's read this. OS, yeah. This is this message equals email message with brackets. And message subject equals email title. Oh, a function which sends a mail to a user. Subject from to set content open. Oh, okay. HTML open email.html read brackets. Print HTML. Okay, I have no idea what any of this does, but I feel like the open email.html and then R and then read part is pretty applicable to me. So let's go here and what's the next step I should take? I forgot. Well, you want to work like Google, Meta kind of companies? Well, preferably, I heard they give you big bucks, but I'm happy to work anywhere that right now, I'm happy to work anywhere. Get some life experience, And then later on, when I have experience, I've got something to brag about, a nice plump little resume, I'm gonna try to get work at one of the big companies. And I like to work for China. Ban for my chat. Alright, I'm kidding. I don't have enough viewers to casually ban people like that. But I'm not working for China anytime soon. Did I specify I'm from Taiwan? That is especially offensive. Wait, what am I doing messing around with this pillow? Forget it. What? I'm gonna drink some water. Hey, pillow stream. What's that supposed to mean? Is that some vulgar innuendo? Sounds pretty funny. Okay, that's not an actual thing. Alright. It's just a little joke. That's alright. Yeah. There's a pillow right here for the whole stream. By the way, I want to ask, what's the meaning of that thing you keep putting at the end of your messages? Like the guy in a cap in the black and white? Oh, kind of trolling. Alright. Oh, okay. It all makes sense now. It all fits together now. Alright. Then, 6 viewers. Nice. That's the high of the night. Hey, whoever's just came into chat, could you please leave a message? Look how busy chat is. Join in the fun. Alright, sure. Troll all you want. It's not like I'm gonna ban you for anything. To be honest, like, with the number of viewers I have now, you're not getting banned for anything, alright? If you're a bot, I'll still accept your follow. Hopefully I can get 50 followers before the end of this year. That would be very nice. Okay, open a file and return a stream. Files either text or byte string given the name and the path of the file in the working directory. Wait. In the tutorial I just looked at, they had index.html, at email.html, so I'm just gonna substitute index.html, and then R. Let's see how this works. .read. Alright. What do I do now? Wait, what did the tutorial do? Okay, print HTML. Yeah, let's do that. Print HTML. How does that work? It just printed the whole HTML file. Jeez. That's kind of 7 viewers! I am very happy right now. 7 viewers. Nice! I haven't got this high number since yesterday. Oh yeah, actually yesterday was a pretty successful stream. But hey, this is super successful too. I swear. So many people join the stream and then they just don't leave any message. I have no idea who they are. It is weirdly uncomfortable. But yeah, I'm not gonna push you guys. No pressure. If you watch my streams and follow me, that's all I need. Have you followed, by the way? Check it out. 2 of you left. Dang it. That's what happens when you self-promo. Fine, not gonna do it again. When are you gonna take trash out? Well, here's the good news, Dad. What? Today is Sunday, and in Taiwan, that means there's no trash. Nah, those are bot? Oh, that's too bad. Still, that kinda boosts my viewer average up. Oh, 7 views again. Bots, all bots welcome. I don't care if you're a bot, just... Wait, if they're bots, then shouldn't they, like, leave some spam messages? Like, some advertisement for some company? How do bots work? I mean, I know you gotta make them for a purpose, right? So, what exactly are they doing anyway? Or is it just some benevolent software developer who made these out of goodwill to boost small streamers' viewer averages? I don't know. Hopefully. I hope they aren't doing anything sus to. Not every bots are bad. These bots are here to support small streams. Nice. Oh well. PogChamp, I guess, to the guy who made these. I wonder how to make these though. Not like I want to try anything suspicious with these bots. Oh no, totally not gonna make a bunch of bots and flood my streams to boost viewer averages. Alright. So I've got the HTML thing open. Oh! Wait. You can do it just with 5 lines. How? Tell me. Dang it, I just got a brain fart with this. I'm just gonna add some pseudocode. Hash, right? Yeah, that's how you add notations. So, make HTML file for template for Rainbook post. Then use vars to display new follower. Yes. Yes. Wait, is that a bot? No, the guy looks legit. Let me just check. Yes, he's legit. Awesome. Thanks, Stringy. Mystery Man Stringy, because you haven't left any messages. But yes, we got a message. Thanks, pal. It feels really nice to have someone appreciate my enthusiasm. Along with that one, of course. He's a champ, and you're a champ too, because you followed me. All of my followers are champs. What do I do? I mean, what are you supposed to do when you get a new follow? If I'm a big streamer, I can just like say, oh, thanks, and then ignore you, but you know, I'm a small streamer. You're one of the 7 people. Well, 7, that's actually a lot. Pretty proud of the viewer count. But, I mean, like, you want me to do a dance for you or something? You know what? May I could name a you scream new father's name. My mom's in the house right now, but I guess. Ooh! There. Scream your name. Alright, I feel like my duty's done. To my new viewers, let's get back to coding then. Hope you enjoyed the stream, Stringy. Alright, let's turn this pseudocode into real code. You know, with the big web developers, with the pros, they act like pseudocode is the hard part, right? Because you should move your chat window, we can't see your code editor. Oh yeah, that's true. I never thought of that, thanks. Excellent advice. Would take again. What's that? Chat? Yeah, chat. Okay, what if I move here to the middle? But no, that blocks all the files. Oh wait, no, that doesn't actually. Yeah, I could do that. Save. Okay, is this better? No need for that chat window. Get it out. Nah, I like the chat window. I want people to know that I got a steady stream of chat messages coming. You know? Makes me feel important. But is that blocking the files? Nah, I don't think so, right? I mean, you can't see the files here, but you can see all the files I got open here, so shouldn't be a problem. Alright. File for template and Rainbook post. Then use vars to display. How do you do that though? Okay, so template. Wait. I just realized something. So that follower go to bottom. Oh, that's a good idea. That is a good idea. Wait. But then, if I move follower go to bottom, it seems like quite a lot of things are on the bottom. Wait, if the follower is on the bottom, the camera's on the bottom, and the chat is in mid left, it kind of looks like everything just fell down and it's all stacked on the ground. The aesthetics are kind of bad. Look how, wait, what if I do this, okay? We take chat, and then we move it up here. Now, oh right, it blocks part of my code. Wait, but what if it's like here? Right? What if it's over? Nah, it looks like it's crammed against a corner. Designing my stream setup, my stream design is hard. Okay, that blocks the code, but then, like, if I put it here, it just looks weird. But like, where else can I put it? Is there a midpoint I can put it in? Okay, you know what? When in doubt, always turn to advice from the internet. How to set up stream window. Right? Oh yes, how to set up stream layout. I'm gonna find an article I've decided to read, and then I'm gonna share it with you guys, and then we're gonna take a look at it together. Stream guys, how to build a complete stream layout from start to finish. I think this is good. Alright, let's change screen share. Yeah, there we go. You guys seeing this? Okay, I think you guys seeing this. So, let's go to the text because I'm Asian. I skip the time-wasting videos. Reading is more efficient. OBS? Nah. OBS sucks. Twitch Studio rules. Where's nerd or die, kids? I'm not a nerd, nor do I want to die. What's this got to do with my setup? Oh, it's talking about the whole thing. No, I don't want that. Let's change this. How to lay out stream window, right? What's that? What's actually the term for the screen? How do I structure the stream? Nah, that's not it. How do I set up Twitch layout? Yeah, that looks good. Layovers. How to set up layovers. Twitch. Wait, streaming. Yeah. Perfect. No, it's just a tutorial to enable in-game overlay. Oh, but hey, in-game overlay is working though. It's a lot more pleasant to stream with in-game overlay. I like the fact that there's nice little chat here. Still, is there any design I can use? Oh, come on. I can't believe there isn't something for this. Dudes. Having the follower go. Oh, yes, I know. Right? When there's no direct tutorial, you gotta learn from the masters. And who are the masters? Big Man. Big Man is the master. Wait. I need to change the screen share. Oh. Alright. Well, bye, Stringy. You will be missed. Hope you tune in for my next stream on Tuesday. Alright, goodbye. Alright, now we gotta see Schlatt's VODs to see how he lays out his stream. J Schlatt VODs. Don't look at my sussy stream recommendations. Alright? Alright, now let's look at his most popular stream. Yes, Schlatt ranks your disgusting bedrooms mute in case there's any stupid copyright. Aha! We got it, folks. Oh, this man doesn't show his follower count. Brave and bold. Well, I guess he's got so many followers he doesn't need to count them anymore. Well, that isn't applicable to me. But we see here he's got his camera up there and then his chat here. Hey, my in-game chat is mixing up with his in-game chat. In-game overlay was pretty funny. So wait, what if I move it here? Aquí. Like this. Now what about this? Like this. Yeah, this looks a bit better. But then it's kind of scuffed in VS Code, right? Because with this design, the main content is in the center, right here. But in my case, the big draw, right? The content is the whole screen. So what do I do? Okay, you know what? Let's change the screen share back to VS Code again. Okay, so here so what you guys want to see is here and here. This place isn't actually really important. But then like it kind of blocks the files. But no, it doesn't actually block any of the code. Alright, I'll make a tough decision. We have to hide the code, folks. We have to hide the code. Let's see. Let's take the webcam. But wait, having the webcam down here is actually a pretty good idea, because there's nothing important there. Okay. Oh, but then moving my follower girl up. Oh, that's actually a pretty good idea, but dang it, it's just not the same if you have your follower go over there. What if I reduce the length to like this? What if it's like this? We only care about the code and the output, that's all. We don't care about your files. Oh, okay. Ah, it's a big help. I'm still thinking. Because if I shrink this thing enough, right? Then I probably can just stuff it over here. But I don't know. It just... No. Let's just not do it. Oh, it's 8:09 already. Alright, folks. I gotta go. I might not have to take out the trash today, but I gotta do some other stuff. I got calls to make. Well, I'm gonna decide on a stream setup by Tuesday. So hope you tune in by then. Thanks for watching. That was that. See you Tuesday, yes. Bye. Oh, and the mandatory cat emoji at the end of every stream. Where's that thing? There. Alright, see you.